Hello children, today let's learn how to write a poem review for the reflections part in the formative assessment. Here is the pattern to follow in order to write a poem review. Write the meaning of the poem, the figures of speech used, hidden meanings and the meanings that the poet likes to imply. That is, when you read the poem, what are all the ideas that are conveyed through the poem. Generally, when you see a poem, the words are different, but the meaning that is conveyed is different, that you need to interpret and write. And you need to write whatever you understood from the poem in 5 points, 5 to 6 points. So firstly, how you start the poem review is write the primary information of the poem, that is name of the poem. Here I have taken the poem I Dream a World. Name of the poet Langston Hughes. Theme of the poem to end the racial discrimination and bring equality. That is, through the poem, what message is conveyed, what is the main intention of writing the poem is what is called the theme of the poem. Tone of the poem. Tone of the poem is in which way it's going. Is it going to a sad tone, happy tone, celebration tone? What is it? Here the tone of the poem is hopeful. At the end we see that the poet is hopeful of better days. Date of the review. When you are writing the review, that date you ought to write. And then poem, you need to take a printout of the poem, or you can take the paper cutting, or you can even write the poem in colorful way in one page on the left hand side. Here I have written the poem. Poem I Dream a World. I dream a world where man, no other man will scorn, where love will bless the earth and peace its paths adorn. I dream a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, where greed no longer saps the soul, no avarice blights our day. A world, I dream, where black or white, whatever race you be, will share the bounties of the earth. And every man is free, where wretchedness will hang its head, and joy, like a pearl, attends the needs of all mankind. Of such I dream my world. So here when you read this poem, automatically you get the idea that it is about black and white discrimination. The discrimination that is shown between the blacks, that is the racial discrimination. So you get an idea. He is dreaming of a world where he needs equality. So that way you need to choose a poem first of all on which you can write. You can express yourself. Such poems you need to first select. And then write the poem review this way. Firstly, what you understood from the poem, that you should write. The poem begins with the phrase I dream of a world, which makes it clear that the poet expects something better than the present situation. Okay, so here we are getting into the tone of the poem. That is, the poet is expecting something better will happen than the present day. Yes, and this poem review is written by one of our 9th standard students. So it is of the student level. It's not of the teacher level. I haven't written the poem. A student has written. Why I have taken this poem review is so that you will get to an understanding how your level of thinking, in your level of thinking, how you can write a poem review. Then he describes his dream to have a world free from discrimination and hopes for love and peace. He expresses his desire to have a world free from greed and his wish to have the freedom to utilize the resources available in the country without any discrimination or restrictions. So here you are going into the whole poem, we are summarizing or we are crystallizing into 4 to 5 lines. So that way we need to get to all the meanings and we have to contract it. We have to make it short and write in a gist. He hopes for a world free from misery and filled with the scope of enjoyment for each and everyone. So here we say what is the intention of the poet. He wants a world where everyone is equal, everyone has equal freedom. Then on to the interpretation. Here you can write the points after reading the poem. What all thoughts came into your mind, that you can write in the interpretation. The poet hopes for a world where the blacks are not treated in the inferior way because of their color and race. Inferior means lesser way. They should not be treated in a lesser way just because they are black or they are dark in their skin tone. The poet feels that looking down a person on the basis of appearance or the origin of their birth is injustice. So we can relate it to the caste system in India, where people are ill-treated or people are looked down because they are born in a lower caste. So that also we can relate here. So people should not be looked down or they should not be ill-treated just because they are born in a family of lower origin. So that should not be shown. How we are relating to our day-to-day life, that we should see in the interpretation. He feels that every person, irrespective of his origin or birth, has the right to enjoy the happiness of freedom and equality. So every person, wherever he is born, whatever color he is born, whether he is rich or poor, he should have equality. Equality to be treated as a human. At least that basic element should be there. Then, the desire for a world where blacks and whites can live together with equal access to the resources available in his country, where no one is deprived of their right to use the natural wealth. So here we see that the whites are exploiting the blacks. They are taking all the resources and utilizing them, denying them the black their right to enjoy the resources. So he says he is dreaming of a world where everyone can enjoy the resources equally. Here he doesn't say that the black should dominate the white. No, there should be equal rights. Even the black should treat the whites equally once they get to the equality. So this is what we understood from the poem. So this is how you need to write the poem review. First write the meaning. Then what all you understood, how you can relate it to your day-to-day life in your country, in your village, in your locality. That way you have to write the poem review. Hope you all understood how to write the poem review. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. Do comment in the comment box below and click the like button if it was really useful to you. Thank you.